we are wearing our costumes. Woo! We can't wait to see all of your costumes posted today on our websites. We have Facebook and Instagram. Can't wait to see all the costumes out there. So boys and girls, we're going to start with our flag salute.
Of course.
I got to go get the flag.
We'll wait here. We're totally in character. Can you tell? We even have matching socks. Shoulder socks.
Yes, we do. So I am ready now.
There we go.
Not bad.
Okay, everybody, please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, everybody. You can sit down.
Thank you, Miss Mata. Okay, boys and girls, we have a full assembly. Do we have a full assembly, Miss Mata?
Yes, and I'm very excited today. Can you tell why? Can you tell why? If you didn't know, now you know. Why am I excited, Miss Romero?
Is it because we're world champs? The Dodgers won?
The Dodgers are the World Series champions. Very exciting.
Celebration dance. Dodgers won. Dodgers won.
So excited. We had to mention that.
And we had to wear our blue. We had to wear our blue for today. Good thing we had this in our for our costume, Miss Mata.
That's right, representing.
Representing is right. Okay, whoo! That was like our exercise time already.
I'm already out of breath.
Okay.
Okay, let's focus.
Focus. It was exciting, given it was a couple days ago, but you know what? We are still celebrating. I think we're going to celebrate for a long time.
Yes.
For another, hopefully not 32 years, but hopefully.
No.
Let's hope not. You guys weren't born yet, but we were. I actually remember that. But moving on. Such an exciting time of year. We know it's still hard, but it's good to find the positive when we can. And wow, the Lakers win was a positive. The Dodgers win was a positive. It's costume day. That's a positive. So let's get started, because you know what else is a positive?
What else?
It is Student of the Month Assembly. Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
Should we get started? Let me sit down.
Let's get started, yes. Gotta readjust.
Let's try to contain our excitement.
I know, breaking a little sweat here. Here we go. Okay, boys and girls. And I don't know if you noticed, but we have our orange and black balloons in the background to add a little theme to our costume day. So, theme decoration rather. So, I'm going to start. And I'm going to start with Miss Martinez's class for the month of October. Do you remember what the month of October was? What we're recognizing?
I hope they remember, because they've been working really hard. Starts with a
W. Wise choices. You got it. So here we go. Okay. Miss Martinez's TK class, Señora Martinez. Natalie de Arcos hace decisiones sabias a siempre entregar su trabajo completo y con mucho esfuerzo. Yeah. Johnny Guillen Funes hace decisiones sabias a siempre estar listo para aprender y enfocarse en clase. Yeah. Next we have Maestra Kate. Maestra Kate, Emma Cornejo. Emma está bien preparada la clase todos los días. Ella siempre elige hacer su mejor esfuerzo durante la clase.
Yeah.
Right, Emma. Y Daphne Padilla. Daphne es una estudiante entusiasta que elige comprometerse a hacer su mejor esfuerzo todos los días.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
I think it's my turn. I get to read Miss Shears' class. Here we go. From Miss Shears' class, Madison Hewitt. Madison makes wise choices when she turns in all of her work. She is always ready to participate and is patient when it's not her turn. Yeah. Also from Miss Shears' class, Luke Gonzalez. Luke makes wise choices by coming to class prepared. He is always ready to learn and he tries his best. Thank you, Luke, for setting a great example.
Yeah. Next we have Señora Neal, Maestra Neal. Benjamin Marquez. Toma decisiones sabias participando activamente y ofreciendo respuestas durante nuestros encuentros de clase.
Yeah.
Y Efren Reyes. Toma decisiones sabias al completar su trabajo antes de venir a nuestra clase y compartir sus respuestas con el resto de la clase. Yeah. Y next, permiso. Y next, Maestra Roque. Noah Maldonado. Noah comienza cada día con una sonrisa y sigue las expectativas de nuestra clase virtual.
Yeah.
Y Mia Magia Sánchez. Mia toma buenas decisiones al estar lista para trabajar y participar en clase a diario.
Yeah. All right, it's my turn to read Miss Choose. Juliana Luevano. Juliana shows wise choices by always showing up on time to ensure that she does not miss out on anything in class. She always tries her best. Yeah. Eddie Vasquez. Eddie shows wise choices by actively participating during our Google Meets. He volunteers to ask questions if he needs extra help, and he wants to make sure that he gets the best of his own learning time.
For Maestra Luna, Delilah Carrillo. Siempre toma decisiones sabias en clase. Delilah es una estudiante increíble y todo que hace en clase es maravilloso. Estoy muy orgullosa de ser la maestra de Delilah. Yeah. Y Cameron Moniz. Cameron es una estudiante fantástica. Siempre está lista para aprender y hace los estudios maravillosamente. Toma decisiones sabias todos los días en clase. Estoy muy orgulloso de ser la maestra de Cameron y la maestra de Luna. Es muy orgullosa.
Yeah. Okay, from Miss CK's class, Aiden Van Savage. Aiden makes wise choices by working hard and participating in class discussions.
Yeah.
Nathan Gonzalez. Nathan makes wise choices by putting effort into learning math, reading, and writing. He is excited to learn new knowledge every day. All right, from Ms. Posner's class, we have Leah Martinez. Leah makes wise choices by following directions, having her materials ready, completing her classwork, and by taking the initiative of her own learning. Alessandra Pareda. Alessandra makes wise choices by completing her classwork, listening attentively, following directions, and taking initiative in her own learning.
Y for maestro Jeffco, Irma Martinez. Irma siempre hace buenas preguntas en clase y piensa a trabajar inmediatamente. También se queda después de la clase para pedir ayuda pedida ayuda cuando la necesita. Él es la responsable porque siempre revisar sus trabajos para ver si hay un trabajo faltante y lo termina.
Woo!
That was a long one. Good job, Irma. Y Giovanni Reyes. Gio siempre tiene todos sus trabajos terminados el mismo día los subo. También se queda después de la clase para pedir ayuda cuando la necesita. Él es responsable porque siempre revisa sus trabajos para ver si hay un trabajo faltante y lo termina.
Yeah.
Way to work hard and way to ask for help, boys and girls. Okay, y Maestra Torres. Maestra Torres, Nathan Valerio. Nathan toma decisiones sabias cuando siempre participar en las clases en vivo. Nathan siempre nos señala que está listo para aprender. Es un placer tenerlo en mi clase, la clase de Maestra Torres. Isabella Valerio. Isabella toma decisiones sabias todos los días. Siempre piensa antes de actuar y ayuda a los demás. Tener Isabella en mi clase es un placer. La clase de Maestra Torres.
Yeah. Okay, from Miss O'Donnell's class, April Pareda. April makes wise choices by completing all her classwork on time. She is someone who can always be counted on to participate in all class meetings. Yeah. Carlos Saldivar. Carlos makes wise choices when he comes to class on time, completes his work, and participates in class discussions. Yeah. From Mr. Green's class, Jack Janis. Jack makes wise choices and he does his best on his work. Yeah. Samantha Anguiano. Samantha makes wise choices and she contributes to class meetings. Yeah. All right, now we're moving into our middle school. For our 6th graders, we have Alejandro Gomez. Alejandro makes wise choices when he comes to class on time, completes all of his assignments, and participates in class. Yeah. Janine Luevano. Janine makes wise choices every day when she is present in Google Meets, completes her work on time, and she's always very respectful. Yeah.
Would you like me to do 7th grade?
Sure.
Okay, first 7, catch your breath a little bit. Takes a lot. It takes a lot to read all these.
It does.
For 7th grade, we have Esteban Jimenez. Esteban makes wise choices when he reaches out to his teachers when he has questions or needs extra help. Yeah. And Jason Velasquez. Jason makes wise choices by attending all classes, turning in assignments on time, and participating in class regularly.
Yeah. Okay, for our 8th graders, Alana Salinas. Alana has a great attitude and puts in 100% in her classes. She has been completing her work and has not been absent. Eric Blanco. He has been working hard to turn in his assignments on time, and he's choosing to participate in classroom conversations. Yeah. Woo, that was a lot of names, Miss Herrero.
It was, and I love that they stick by me with my Spanish, because you know what? I show you guys that it's okay to try and to practice, because the more you practice at something, the better you're going to get at it. So never be afraid to put yourself out there. Do you want to tell them about what happens now that they have been chosen Student of the Month?
Oh my goodness, yes, you have earned yourself a certificate with your name and the reason why you were chosen for wise choices by your teacher. You are also going to get the famous certificate for some frozen yogurt, because we all love that. You will be getting that delivered to your house in the mail. So look for that in the coming days. Very, very exciting. And congratulations to all our students.
Yes, and just as a reminder, they will be mailed. So you do not have to come to campus. We're going to make it easy for you. So congratulations. Boys and girls, thank you for standing by and bearing with us. We love Student of the Month. We love hearing all of the great things students are doing, and we know there's so many more of you making wise choices. But as you know, there are two students chosen. So don't forget, for the month of November, let's see, it was Make Wise Choices. So what will be next, Miss Mata?
I think I heard it. It's Act Safely, because it's all about... Yes, it's all about being safe. Did I say it wrong? Be safe.
No, because you said you thought you heard it, but I was waiting for you to say it. So I was like, did somebody say it? I thought somebody said it, but you know what? Who said it? It was the kids.
That's right, yes.
You have such good ears. Thank you, guys. Thank you for helping us out. We love when you participate and help us out during our assemblies.
Yes. Because we need it.
Yes. So act safely. Remember that for the month of November.
Yes.
Very exciting. Okay. Well, I saw some students on Wednesday, and I was so excited to see them. So thank you, boys and girls, for coming to our drive-through book fair. And not all of you even came to get books. You just came to say hi, which we love. So remember, thank you. Anytime we have a school event, you can come. Oh, see, she even did her heart.
I was trying to make a heart. I don't know how to do it very well.
I saw the heart. So thank you, boys and girls, for coming. Thank you, parents, for bringing them. It was really special. We're glad we were able to give you some treats. But thank you. Thank you for participating. And what else? What else? There were so many pictures online this week, Miss Mata.
Yes, because we had lots of activities going on in celebration of Red Ribbon Week and celebrating being drug-free. So we saw so many pictures of students wearing their camouflage, as well as red, wearing red for Red Day, Pajama Day, tie-dye day, can't forget about tie-dye day, and of course today is wear your costume or black and orange.
You forgot about yesterday because I was worried that people were going to be sleeping because it was pajama day. But you guys did a really good job, so thank you.
Gotta wake up.
Yes, gotta wake up. I didn't know if you were crying or waking up, but I'm glad you were waking up.
I was waking up.
Okay, I'm glad.
Rubbing my eyes.
Because I know Miss Mata's been happy all week, ever since Tuesday's big win.
Very exciting.
We could start talking about it over and over, but
I was going to wear this as a necklace, but I thought it might be a little much. People might think I look funny.
right now,
But I'm very
I don't think
excited.
it looks funny. Yeah, I think you should do it. Okay, boys and girls, it is just about that time. Oh, we have one more reminder. Tuesday, we want to invite all of you, whether you're participating or not, all of you to join our Dia de los Muertos event, which will be here at school on the blacktop. We will have safety precautions put in place. It is not a walkthrough, it's a drive-through, but you can come to see all the beautiful displays that students here, all the way from TK to 8th grade, have created to present to all of our families and community. So we hope to see you there. Can't wait for that. Again, it's from 5 to 7 p.m. on November 2nd, but don't worry, we'll be posting it on all of our websites.
And your teachers will be letting you know also the information, so that way you can join us.
Yes. So without further ado, I think it's time for our stretches. Even though we kind of worked out earlier,
Yes.
we were really excited.
I think I'm going to stand. I'm going to move my chair out of the way.
Because she is making wise choices by acting safely.
That's right.
Okay, here we go. And reach for the ceiling.
You know what, Miss Romero? I look really tall.
You look really tall. Your hands aren't even in the frame. You know what? It's okay. You look taller than the bulletin board behind you.
I do.
He turned into giant.
Giant thing too.
I think some of them are laughing at you. Okay, ready? And touch your toes. Oh, sorry. I was having fun with my little ears. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And roll your head, but don't roll it too much or it might fall off. Okay, and walk. Miss Mother, look, if I go back, I look really small and you look really big.
I wonder if I could put my arm on your head. No. Trying to do that.
Okay, and run fast. Okay, and in 1, 2. Oh. I kind of like this. This is kind of funny. No, we got it. I think she ate too much candy, boys and girls.
You threw me off because you started counting.
Because we're going to do, what are we going to do, boys and girls? Oh. You're right. Okay, ready?
Right.
In 1, 2, 3. And let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you, boys and girls, for your help. I never realized how tall you look until you pointed it out, but it's great. Adds to the fun. It's
now I need my socks.
Part of your costume. Okay, here we go. Miss Mata.
Yes.
It's time for our chant.
Okay, I'm ready. Here we go.
Already ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can and I will have pride in myself and my school.
I can and I will
have a positive attitude.
I can and I will
make wise choices.
I can and I will
act safely.
I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Make it a great day, boys and girls. The choice is yours. Have a great day, boys and girls. Keep up the good work. Be safe this weekend. Make wise choices on Halloween. Acting safely in whatever you do. But it has been a great week, so we will see you. Oh, guess what else?
What?
The time changes on Sunday.
That's right.
Don't forget to set your clocks back. And I like being able to say this. We'll see you next month.
See you next month, everybody.
See you on Monday, November 2nd. Bye-bye.